Okay, Sukuk, it's like it's like bonds, it's like shares, similar, not that big difference. There's some differences in terms of practicality. For example, in shares, the shares and asshum in the bank, or sorry, in the companies, you will be one of the owners. But in Sukuk, usually you involve in a contract that is done by a Islamic bank. That contract could be ownership, could be manafa, services, something like this. So you have a share in that contract. This share will generate profit to you. So the payment you give, invest it in that specific product or that specific accounts is like investment in that company or in that project, and the money you generate out of it is just come to you from the profit you make, and these sukuk, and you can sell them, and after a while you can just come out and take your money back. So basically sukuk is the alternative of bonds. Bonds, sanadat is haram because usually it's based on loan and they will just pay you back and they give you your money back plus the interest. Sukuk, it is pure investment based on ijara, based on mudaraba, based on musharaka, partnership, and these are the main differences. Wallahu a'lam.